Good morning, dear students. We are see the chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. We are going to learn practice set 2.2. First question: in triangle PQR, points is the midpoint of the side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13. Find the QR. Is a 2 marks question. Solution: triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of QR. PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13. Solution: in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint, midpoint of side QR, Therefore, PS is the median. PS is the median. Therefore, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square multiply plus 2SR square is a Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Substituting value: PQ is a 11 square, PR is the 17 square is equal to 2 into 13 square plus 2SR square. 11 square is 121 plus 17 is a 289 is equal to 2 multiplied by 13 square is a 169 plus 2SR square or RS square. Therefore, is a 121 plus 289 is a 400 is equal to is a 338 plus 2 SR square or RS square. Therefore, SR square to SR square is equal to 400 minus 338 is equal to 72. 2 SR square is equal to 72. SR square is equal to 72 divided by 2. SR square is equal to 36 is a root 36, taking a square root. SR is equal to root 36 taking square root. SR is equal to 6 unit. SR is equal to 6 unit. SR is equal to QS. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 into SR is equal to 2 multiplied by SR is a 6 is equal to 12 unit. Therefore, QR is equal to 12 unit. Is the first example. Second example. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10, AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9. Find the length of the median drawn from the point C to the side AB is a triangle ABC, and CD is perpendicular to AB. CD perpendicular to AB. AB is midpoint is D. Solution: let CD is median drawn from the point C and AB. BD is equal to half of AB. D is the midpoint of segment AB is equal to half multiplied by 10 is equal to 5. BD is a 5 units. Therefore, triangle ABC segment CD perpendicular to segment AB Apollonius theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to 2CD square plus 2BD square is a Apollonius theorem. Is a substituting value. AC is 7 square plus BC is 9 square is equal to 2 multiplied by CD. Find out CD. 2CD square plus 2 multiplied by BD is a 5 square. 7 square is 49 plus 9 square is 81 is equal to 2CD square plus 2 multiplied by 25 is a 49 plus 81 is a 130 is equal to 2CD square plus 25 2s are 50. 2CD square is equal to 130 minus 50. 2CD square is equal to 80. Therefore, CD square is equal to 80 upon 2. CD square is equal to 40 is a unit. Therefore, CD is equal to root 40, taking square root, Therefore, 40 is 10 into 4. CD is equal to 2 root 10 unit. 2 root 10 units. Therefore, the length of the median drawn from point C and point C to side side AB is 2 root 10 units. Root 2 units. Next one is a next question, third. In the adjoining figure, segment PS is the median. Segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. PQR, PS is the median of triangle PQR and PT perpendicular to QR. Prove that PR square is equal to PC square plus QR plus into ST plus QR square upon 2 bracket square. QR upon 2 bracket square. And second, PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square is the condition. Example number first, application of Apollonius theorem. Application of Apollonius theorem is the 2 points. Is the triangle PQR, PS is the median and PT perpendicular to QR. First is a example. First proof, PR square is equal to PC square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Therefore QS is equal to SR. QS is equal to SR. QS is equal to SR. SR is equal to half of QR. Half of QR is the S is the midpoint. S is the midpoint point of QR of side QR. Side का QR. In triangle PSR. PSR angle PSR is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. PT perpendicular to SR. PT perpendicular SR is between S between S TR. S between S TR or S between S QR. Formula PR square is equal to PR square is equal to SR square plus PS square plus 2SR into ST is the first equation. And this one is a second equation. Application of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Therefore PR square is equal to SR means a half of QR bracket square plus PS plus 2 multiplied by SR means half QR into ST. Therefore PR square is equal to 1 into QR upon 2 bracket square plus PS plus 2 ones are is a QR into ST from equation first and second. Equation second, PR square is equal to QR upon 2 bracket square plus PS square plus QR into ST. Therefore PR square, prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR is a QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square is the proof. Is the first equation is the proof. Second, triangle PQ square is equal to PC square minus QR into ST into QR upon 2 square. Proof. In triangle PQS angle PSQ is an PSQ is a acute angle and PT perpendicular to QS. Therefore PQ square is equal to QS square. PQ square is equal to QS square plus PS square minus 2QS into ST is equal to ST is the equation third. Is the application of Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to QS. QS is equal to SR. Therefore QS is equal to half QR. QS is a half multiplied by QR square plus PS square minus 2 multiplied by half QR into ST is equal to PQ square QR upon 2 bracket square plus PS square, 2 and 2 cancel, minus QR multiplied by ST. From equation first and third. Therefore PQ square is equal to QR upon 2 bracket square plus PS square minus QR into ST. Therefore PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square is the proof. Next question is 4. In triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of the side BC. If AB square plus AC square is a 290 centimeter, AM is 8 centimeter, AM is a 8 centimeter. Find out to BC.